Hello guys, welcome back to our new vlog. We are showing our Mangalore ka bandar. Tell me, how are you feeling?
Fabulous.
Yeah. So basically we are in Bengari. Bengari Dekke will show the cinematic clips. So just wait and watch. Guys, see this man. I'll tell what he done. He bought unlimited popcorn in PVR and unlimited Pepsi. What he did is open the bag, bro. See, bag full popcorn, bro. PVR ka share gone, bro. From PVR got downfall.
Meanwhile,
So guys, unlimited popcorn, unlimited bag में भरने का. Guys, here. Cheers. Guys, high five. Yay! You can see Arhan bro is here. You want to let a kiye? Irfan bro, just see the view and tell me what you are feeling. Just explain your thoughts in your words.
I wish my girlfriend was here.
Shit. But that is not.
That's not going to happen, right?
Yeah.
She's not here. She's not there. She's I don't
here.
know. Where is she?
She's here, right?
Where? Even not in there.
Then,
Someone already took it, man.
oh,
Breaked it. And,
okay.
you know.
So she's basically red flag.
Yeah. I got fed up with red flags, guys.
Yeah.
That's why no relationship like Arhan.
Yeah.
He can get in a relationship. No. He can't get in a relationship. But he want to get in a relationship.
Yo guys, we are at the beach. So that's it for the today guys. So may you make sure like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe and share. Thank you so much. So let's meet in our next vlog. Till then, bye.